Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous video we have learned about like how to give request to our user using HTTP post or get request. But today in this video we'll be doing different thing and I'll be telling you what is use transition hook in React 18 and how to use this use transition hook. Like you all know that in the previous coming up you can say in the previous videos of React 18 we have learned about hook at a glance using React 18. So like this video will be similar to that video hook at a glance, because in this video also we will be using hook, but we will be not using hook by the glance. We will be using hook by using use transition, and I'll be telling you what is this use transition and how to use it in hooks. So remember to see this video if you want to learn what is this use transition and how to use it in hooks, and what is this hook and use transition similar to that, and what are the things included. So just remember to see this video from start if you want to learn what is use transition hook in React 18. We have also used this in React and React.js stuff when we are building big projects like loans and websites like portfolios. So remember to check that videos also if you want to learn how to build project using these amazing tags which we are learning through React 18. And also remember to check my all the previous tutorials which I have done yet. I've done the full tutorial of JavaScript as well, and I've also done the tutorial of Next.js 13 Next.js. You can also check that out if you want to learn that all things from start. And remember to check my all the videos which are big projects videos which I have uploaded, and also subscribe on this channel. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future coming up videos. And also share this video as well so more people can learn about these things, and I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well, so you can learn about these things, and I hope you'll be understanding that things as well. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is this use transition hook in React 18 and how to use it from start to end in React 18. So just like I've telling you in this video, I will be telling you what is use transition hook in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is use transition hook in React 18. So for using use transition hook, you have to open your VS Code, and I will be opening my Microsoft Edge browser in which we are working when we were working with our React 18 projects. So here I will be now closing all this stuff here. Then I will be now just doing one thing here, as like here now when you've written this, I will be erasing all this stuff because this was our previous video stuff in which we have learned HTTP get or post request. You can check that video because that will giving you help. So now today's video is like I've telling you about what is use transition hook. Like in the starting I've telling you, we have learned about hook at a glance in the previous videos. So just in today's video, this video will be similar to that hook at a glance video. So just now we have to import that hook which we have downloaded in the previous video here. So I will be now writing import hook from, so here I will be writing import hook here like this. Then you have to write import hooks from hooks. Then you have to move down, and after moving down here I will be writing import. Then I will be writing transition from state lib transition, because this was the library. This lib means library here, and in the library folder we are getting the library transition which is imported through this state. So now when if this has been imported, so you have to write here use transition. So here you will be getting here use transition. Then after writing this here, I will be now just writing in this like hooks. So here you have to write use transition hooks. Then I will be now just writing here a tag which will be like HTTP. Using HTTP, we will be giving the request to the user, like this is the use transition hook here. So we will be using the previous video stuff to just give the request here to use transition hook. Save this. Now we are getting use transition hook written here because this is the tag. Now if I just show you in the spec, so you will be seeing that now we will be getting our use transition hook written here. So you can see it is saying that HTTP is unrecognized in this browser because this is the old version browser which we are using, and it is saying that if you mean to render a React component, start its name with an uppercase letter. So we don't have to render our React component because we are using React 18, not React. So we don't have to render a React component here. We have to render a React 18 component. So for doing that, here you have to move. Then just you have to now write here clear. So erase this. So here I will be now writing clear console. You can see this message has been erased. Now if I write here console.log, then if I just write here hello like this, close this, and then press enter, you can see we are getting hello defined. Means that our user transition hook has been imported, and from that we can just work with our codes here as well. So now if I write here console, if I write here let is equals to, then I will be writing here this is you can say this is use transition hooks. So here I will be now writing here, you have to close this. Then you can see it is saying that this is use transition hook. I'll be importing console.log. then I'll be writing here let enter. You can see now it is saying that this is use transition hook, because in the let we have written this is use transition hook, and when we have just written console.log and in the bracket when we have written let, so we are getting this is use transition hook, means now our project means our use transition hook is now working, and now we can move on forward. So if I write here console dot, and then if I write here alert, in alert if I write uh, this is use transition hook, again if I write this thing as well here, then here if I just write this and then you have to close enter. So we are just getting this, it is not saying that this thing. So here I'll be writing console dot alert, then you have to close this enter. So you can see it is saying that it is not a function. So here I'll be writing alert. So here I will be now just writing, erasing this, then I will be writing console dot, so here I will be writing console.clear. You can use debug, and you can also use console.profile here to just see the profile of the user. This is, so you can write this is profile of a user, profile of a user like this. Now here close this enter. You can see it is saying that profile, this is a profile of a user started. So here you can see now it is working, means our use transition hook has been imported here. Now if I write here console dot assert, then if I close it enter, you can see it is saying that assert failed. So if I write here console dot alert, then here you have to now write in this alert like this, then you have to enter. So it is saying that alert is not a function. So like this here you can import these all stuff, and like this I've shown you how to just import use transition hook and how to just use transition hook codes in console here. So like this you can import this use transition hook, and I hope you understand how we have imported and how we have worked with this. You have to move to console, then moving to console here you have to now write, if you want to clear these all things you can write here console dot clear, then you can just write here like this and press enter. You can see it is saying that console was cleared, all the things has been undefined like this. So now this was our project here, in which we have learned about how to just import use transition hook in React 18 and what is use transition hook in React 18 and how to use it. So just if you have understand this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the future coming up videos. And also share this video as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well, which should be giving you help. So just now I will be meeting you next project of React 18, which should be helpful as well. So just now I will be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.